stands tall in his soaring speeches in front of heads of state and royalty on the world stage. But it is when he shares, listens, and sups with those who have nothing when he shines as a man among men. Our Kenneth Paciente on the president who spent time earlier today with the street urchins, the poor, and the homeless on an inspection trip to a Pasay City soup and hot meal kitchen dubbed Walang Gutom. As our Kenneth Paciente reports.
Solo parent Lynn Mel faces the daily struggles of making ends meet, especially since she has 4 children. To save up on expenses, she regularly goes to the Walang Gutom Kitchen or WGK of the DSWD in Pasay. This program provides free meals for individuals and families who live in the streets.
Malaking survey po sa amin to. Sobrang laking tulong po ng Walang Gutom. Kasi nakakatipid po. Minsan po kasi sa isang araw bilang solo parent, imbis na naibibili ko ng bigas, naitatabi ko pambaon ng bata.
Earlier, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. personally visited the WGK to see its operations and make sure that those in need are being served. Wearing an apron, the president even acted as a service crew, personally handing out food trays. These trays contain nutritious meals designed to help beneficiaries to stay healthy. The president also joined the beneficiaries in their meal, where they sang happy birthday to him for his birthday last September 13. The birthday cake highlighted data from the SWS survey showing a decrease in hunger incidents among beneficiaries of the Walang Gutom program. Many beneficiaries expressed their gratitude for the Walang Gutom Kitchen, calling it a big help in their daily needs, especially when it comes to food.
Hindi katulad na sa labas kami na saan kami kung nakikikain, naghahanap ng pagkain, saan kami natutulog.
Maraming salamat po sa pagkain na binigay po sa amin para sa ganito po sa pagkain sa pang-araw-araw.
The DSW said the president has given clear orders to end hunger in the country, and the Walang Gutom Kitchen is one of the agency's initiatives to fulfill this mandate. The chief executive ordered that more initiatives like this be established. The Walang Gutom Kitchen serves around 600 people daily and is open to all from 6 in the morning until 3 in the afternoon. As of September 17, the SWD data shows that more than 108,000 individuals have been served by WGK, with over 152,000 meals distributed. Apart from providing nutritious food, WGK also offers other services like the Tara Basa tutoring program aimed at helping children from beneficiary families learn and study. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.